This is Roger Kelly. I appreciate you taking the time to review this video. I want to say thank you to all of my email readers who follow me on the Business of Life newsletter. And I wanted to send you this information out as an opportunity that I am providing to you. There are two questions that people have to deal with that there are not many answers for when we look at our wealth opportunities. One of them is, what should I do? What do I do with the environment, the job environment, people being laid off, people are losing homes, they're educated, they have abilities, they don't know what to do. The first answer that's needed is to the what. The second question is how. When I know what to do, how will I go about getting things done in a way to help me and my family to move forward in a financial way? Well, this opportunity that I'm going to share with you, and it doesn't matter whether you have a business and you want to get to the next level in your company or whether you want to do it in a personal way, it is available to you. What I'm offering is up to 3 consulting hours for $300. Now, I consult all over the place. Most of my jobs start at $15,000 to $20,000. For the cost of less than a car payment, I'm willing to do some very strategic planning with you that's centered around yourself. What I'm recommending is that we do first analyze where you are. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a company, you want to figure out, where you are. I can analyze the company. If it's just you, I can analyze yourself, and then we can look at opportunities that might be available to you. The second thing I want to do that I recommend is that we look at your income opportunities. If you're already making an income from your business, the question is, how do we increase that? If you have a job, you're looking to open up another stream of income, you're not making as much as you want to, then it would be, how do we start an income? Either way, we can really help you out. Or thirdly, we can work with it as you desire if you already know what you need. What's different about this opportunity is I get emails all the time about wealth building, wealth creation. It's always either selling something for someone else or doing something that's going to benefit someone else. I'm offering you an opportunity to look at your life, to customize a plan and support that is really going to help you. We can do this either online. I have all of the tools already in place, or we can meet personal. But I'm looking forward to helping you to move forward in your life. You can go to my website at www.eaglevisionconsulting.net, or you can phone me at my office at 407, area code 407-292-2409. Either way, we can really look at working that out. I look forward to hearing from you. I do appreciate you taking the time to listen to this this video, and you have a great day. Look forward to hearing from you soon.